आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, welcome. The question states, Machine X produces cartons at a uniform rate of 90 every 3 minutes. That means Machine X is producing cartons at a uniform rate of 90 every 3 minutes. And Machine Y produces cartons at a uniform rate of 100 every 2 minutes. So Machine Y produces cartons at a rate of 100 every 2 minutes, right? Now, working simultaneously, how many minutes would it take for two machines to produce a total of 560 cartons? That means both the machines X and Y are working together, and together they have to produce 560 cartons. So how much time would they take working together to reach this particular target? Now, if the production is 90 for every 3 minutes, then can I say for 1 minute the production is going to be 90 by 3, because in 3 minutes, if it is producing 90, in 1 minute it's going to be producing 90 by 3. So I can write this rate as 90 by 3 per minute. And similarly, I can say that if it is 100 for 2 minutes, so for 1 minute it's going to be 100 by 2. So it's going to be 100 by 2 every minute. And if I simplify these, 90 by 3 is equals to 30 per minute, and 100 by 2 is equals to 50 per minute, right? So I have the production of X as 30 per minute, I have the production of Y as 50 per minute, right? Now the question has been asked that working simultaneously, that means these both machines are working together. So if they are working together, can I say that their sum is going to be the number of units produced every minute? Because if this is producing 30 in 1 minute, this is producing 50 in 1 minute, so together they are going to produce its sum, right? So if I'm going to add both of these up, so 30 plus 50 is equals to 80 per minute. And whose rate is this? X plus Y. So X plus Y has a rate of 80 per minute, right? Because working simultaneously, how many minutes would it take for the two machines to produce a total of 560 cartons? Now, working together, they are producing 80 cartons every minute, right? And our target is 560. So if they are producing 80 cartons in 1 minute, how many minutes will they require to produce 560 cartons? So what are we going to do? We are going to simply divide 560 by 80. Because the target is 560 and we have production rate of 80 in 1 minute. So if I'm going to divide 560 by 80, I'm going to get the number of minutes in which we can achieve the target. So it's going to be 560 divided by 80. 0 and 0 cancel out. And we know that 8 sevens are 56. So 8 7 times is 56. So we can write this as 8 into 7 upon 8, right? Because 8 times 7 is 56. So 8 and 8 cancel out, and what remains is simply 7 minutes. So we can see that the target can be achieved in 7 minutes. And if this is not clear, let me tell you by another way. So if we have to achieve this target of 560, we know that in 1 minute 80 units is produced, right? So in 1 minute I can say that 80 can be produced. Similarly, in 2 minutes we are going to produce 160. In 3 minutes it's going to be 240, and so on, right? So it's going to proceed this way. Now after n minutes the production is going to be 80n, right? So after n minutes 80n units are going to be produced, right? And from here we know that 80n is equals to the target, which is 560. So 80n is equals to 560. So n, where n is the number of minutes, is equals to 560 divided by 80. Once again we are going to get the same quantity, and 560 by 80 is equals to nothing but 7. So our answer is 7 minutes. So you saw both the methods. First we simply divided 560 by 80, and if it was not clear, then how it is actually achieved logically, simply by understanding the rate of production, right? So If n is the number of minutes, it is definitely 7 because 560 by 80 is equals to 7 minutes. So according to the question, it has been stated that we had the rate of machine X, we had the rate of machine Y, and we together found out the rate of machine X plus Y as 80 per minute, right? 80 per minute. And we simply divided 560 by 80 to achieve the answer, which is 7 minutes. And checking with the options, we see that this matches with option A. So we say that the correct answer to this particular question is option A, which is 7 minutes. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।